Hey, hello, how are you? Hoping so, keeping at home, happy with the friends and family. I have a small slok which is for you. So, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. You must be thinking why I said this slok before all of you. Because, my dear friends, this particular video is only for my teachers. Those teachers who are right now engaged with the school activities. To those teachers who are now engaged with the Zoom online classes. To all those teachers who are engaged in preparation of the New Year's task. To all those teachers who are now out of job, and to all the teachers who are in service of the job. There are two types of things which is going to happen after this lockdown. Many of the teachers will be out of job, and only the skillful people will be there surrounding in education system, that is in the school or colleges. The school and colleges may or may not open in this particular month of June, because even if it opens, it may have a big problem of social distancing. Now, how? That you know it well. Even if the school starts, the parents may not send their kids to the school. Even they send, then they must be thinking of social distancing, and which is not possible to the school right now, because having the social distancing in the school will be a great task and great challenge to the school authorities, because that will be the small kids, and those particular kids may or may not understand the value of social distancing, and where they may touch each other and the spread of disease may take place. This is just a simple touch will spoil the life of some people. So it may happen that the parents may not send their kids to the school after this particular hours. There will be loss of economy and lack of economy. Both the things will work in hand. When there is loss of economy and when there is lack of economy, the salaries of the people, the teachers, may get discouraged, may get into decrement instead of having into a good increment, because as such we have seen our education minister speaking about the fee structure for the parents, which is not to be forced, not to be collected, and not to be increased in the year of 2020 into 2021. This particular one academic year, everyone is panic. Everyone is into the broken situation. Everyone is into stress. Everyone is into tension. Everyone is into pressure. What is going to happen in this particular lockdown time and after this lockdown time? Pressures will get created 100%. There is no way to get out of it. But then at the same time, economy is also getting hampered at the same time. Whether to look after the pressure or to look after the economical crisis, where teacher should look after. You are a teacher by profession, and that profession itself leads you towards motivation, leads you towards creation, leads you towards ethics, leads you towards manners, leads you towards n number of positive attitudes and the thinkings. These particular positive thoughts, what you are teaching to your students as through the way of moral stories. You as a teacher, now it is your task, now it is your time to motivate your surrounding people, because they are going to get demoralized. They are broken up. The families are getting disturbed. Families are getting broken up. Many more The marriage breakages will take place in this particular manner. Many more divorces will take place in this particular manner. Families are breaking up. Husbands and wives are having lots of fights. Why? Because there is lack of economy in the family. There is no source of economy to the teacher's family. Because my teachers are completely, they are dependent on the services which are given to the school. Services which are rendered in the coaching institutes. Services which are rendered to the tutorials. Services which are rendered to the soft skills. But now, this particular time is into very much panic situation where these things are not taking place. Dear teachers, don't ever get breakdown of your career. Don't even think of any negative aspect into your life. Don't get demoralized. Don't get panic. Instead, use this particular time into improvisation of your own skills, into improvisation of your own thoughts, into improvisation of your own new courses, into improvisation of your new online tactics. This is only the way where you can right now earn your economy. You can run your families. You will stop the breakage of the families. Don't get panic. After this 1 month or maybe the lockdown time gets end, think that you are going to force your complete energy to the double of your economy when you are going to come out of the lockdown time. How? Just update yourself in this particular situation. Update your resumes. The whole day as working on YouTube, just search Naukri.com, search Shine.com, search Instagram, search your LinkedIn, post your resumes as many as you can. Go to your friends, talk to your friends, send them your resume, improvise your skills, improvise your qualities, and just get your job after this lockdown if you are going to be jobless after this. Don't ever think that you are going to get end with your economy. Rather, you are going to increase and double your economy after this lockdown time. If you are a teacher, you will keep yourself motivated, you will keep yourself inspired, and the same way you are going to do it for your friends and family. My dear teachers, Excellent Teacher Private Limited is helping out to all the teachers to find a good job, improvise and update their resume, improvise their skills, improvising their languages, improvising their communication skills, improvising their classroom development, improvising their classroom tactics, improvising their classroom lesson plannings, improvising their classroom management. Each and everything that Excellent Teacher is going to do it to teachers in coming time on YouTube. Those particular everything, every task will be free of cost to all the teachers. There will not be any charges applied by Excellent Teacher on YouTube. If you're going to some professional courses, then we'll be having some concessions to it for teachers. My dear friends, my dear teachers, as the CMD of Excellent Teacher Private Limited, it's my duty, it's my responsibility to keep you motivated till the lockdown time, so that after this lockdown you will come out with 200s of force, with once again with the full energy and with full power. I hope you can keep yourself as well as your surrounding motivated, happy and inspired as you are a professional teacher. Thanks for this particular and best time that you have given me by listening to Nilesh.